Hi everyone, it's Miss McKinney. This is a second grade phonics first dictation lesson, and today we will be practicing writing words that have the s and the z sound when a word is made plural. Go ahead and get your materials together. You'll need a piece of paper and a pencil. If you need to pause the video while you go collect your materials, do that now, and then push play when you are ready. All right, remember, when we do dictation, you will listen for me to say the word. You will repeat the word back to me and then pound the word. You will flip your hand over and you will tap those sounds. Listen carefully. Your first word is nets. Say the word nets. N-e-t-s. Pause the video and write the word nets. All right, let's check your work. You should have written nets. N-e-t-s. Nets. Your next word is sips. Pound it. Sips. Flip. S-I-P-S. Pause the video and write the word sips. Let's check our work. S-I-P-S. Sips. Remember, if you need to correct yourself, just put one line through the word and then write it correctly out to the side. Your next word is taps. Taps. Tap the sounds. Pause the video and write the word taps. All right, let's check. Taps. T-a-p-s. Taps. Check your work. Make sure it matches mine. Now, on these three words, the S made the S sound. Nets, sips, taps. Listen to the difference that you hear on the next three words. Your next word, listen carefully, is jogs. Repeat, jogs. J-o-g-z. Write the word jogs. Let's check our work. J-o-g-z. So the difference here is that the S is voiced. It says Z. Your next word is bugs. Pause the video and write the word bugs. Let's check your work. Bugs. B-u-g-z. Bugs. And the last word is pins. Pins. Write the word pins. All right, we're going to check. P-I-N-Z. Pins. Check your work and make sure it matches mine. Now we're going to practice reading through our words if you'll follow along on my copy. Repeat after me. Nets, sips, taps, jogs, bugs, pins. Read through it one more time on your own. Very good. Now we are going to do 2 dictation sentences. I will say the sentence 2 times, and then you will repeat it back to me, pounding each of the syllables. If you also need to pound a single word and then tap the sounds while you write, you can do that. Listen carefully to the first sentence. He chops all the logs. He chops all the logs. Repeat that back with me. He chops all the logs. Pause your video and write your sentence. All right, let's check your work. He chops all the logs. All right. Check your sentence to make sure it matches mine. You should have started with an uppercase H and ended with a period. And check all your spellings in between to make sure that they match. Let's write one more sentence before we read them together. Who has the bags of chips? Who has the bags of chips? Pound it and say it with me. Who has the bags of chips? Pause the video and write that sentence. All right, let's check. Who has the bags of chips? All right. Make sure that you started with an uppercase W and that you ended with a question mark because this sentence does ask a question, and check all your spellings in between. All right, now let's read through these sentences before we finish the lesson. First time, read with me. He chops all the logs. One more time on your own. And down here, who has the bags of chips? One more time. All right, boys and girls, you did a great job with your dictation lesson. Make sure that you save your work to show your teacher what you did when you come back for your live lesson, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.